Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. This very minute, I just got into my car to go train people, and it's just started snowing. Yeah, snowing again in April. Great. Anyways, I have stuff to catch you guys up on. I did not film anything yesterday. Friday night, I ended up going to a fish fry with my family, and all through the day, I was texting with my ex-boyfriend Rick, who I mention every once in a while here on my vlogs. We're still friends, we still hang out when we can and whatnot. And he is leaving to go up to the Yukon, and he was having a kind of little, like a going away get-together deal at his house. So he invited me over Friday night, and he picked me up. I went over there. It was so much fun. So like all day yesterday I was just a bum all in the house and just chilling. So now I have clients today. I have 2 clients, and then my friend Melissa, who I actually haven't seen in years. Her and I used to work out together once in a while. She used to be a trainer also. She worked for this guy a while back that I also worked for, and I think that's how we met. Yeah, she's gonna come do a leg workout with me, even though I'm still kind of sore from my deadlifts done on Friday. Yeah, so I will see you at Sweeney's. Oh, and I'm so mad I did not take any pictures or anything at Rick's house on Friday. What an idiot. I always take pictures. Why would I not take pictures? But whatever, I had a good time. I wasn't thinking about my camera or whatever. I always get along with his friends. We always have a really good time together. So that was cool. And here we go to Sweeney's, guys.
Moving like the speed of sound.
You guys see the snow out there? What the hell? How annoying. This is just ridiculous, you guys. Ridiculous. What the fuck, you guys? What is more annoying than coming out to your car in April and seeing that much goddamn snow on it? I mean, are you joking? Holy shit. You guys, what in the goddamn hell? Seriously. 31 degrees. Goddamn snow is ridiculous. Total darkness up there. Oh, I'm gonna turn this down a bit. Yeah, so I uncovered some of my car, and I am gonna let my little defroster do some work here before I continue, because this is ridiculous. Ridiculous! Anyways, happy Monday, guys. Good morning. I'm Sheri.koepsel of beautifulmuscle.com, and I have already taken 2 black mambas because I really need to kill a workout today. Kill it. My legs, my booty, my hips are on fire. Not now, but while I was sleeping. I don't know what is going on with my occasional, like, crazy weird hip burning pain. But my shoulders were also hurting while I was sleeping. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why. But yeah, my lower back is a little sore too. I don't know. I just feel like I got beat up today for some reason. Sweet deal. I was putting together a vlog yesterday and I don't like it. It's very long. I blabber on and on and on. I was talking about my midsection being too thick, and I put my sweat belt on, but then I didn't show you guys like the result after the sweat belt, which was ridiculous. I mean, in a good way. Like my whole midsection was pretty much, you know, whittled away from that sweat belt, and it was awesome. But I didn't show it on my vlog. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that vlog. I'm gonna cut it up, I'm gonna edit it, I'm gonna do my thing and try and make it entertaining. I talk a lot about my bagels that I was eating, and like, kind of ridiculous. So I'm trying to get in there early today although some of my workout time was eaten up by this goddamn shoveling extravaganza, I had it, oh, not shoveling, but whatever you call it, scraping my windows off. Trying to get in at least some cardio before I train Lisa and Angie. And Lisa doesn't usually like me to video, but I feel like I need to video some of our sessions because they're hilarious when I train those two girls together. It's hilarious. I'm gonna try. I'll do my best. I feel like my lens is blurry, but I don't know, maybe it's just so much snow here. It's making my lens look blurry. I'm gonna blame everything on the snow and the weather. All right, you guys, let's go to Sweeney's. Really? Come on, windshield wipers. You're on camera. You're on YouTube right now. Here she comes. Here comes the bride. All right, you guys. So I tried to tape a little bit of Angie and Lisa's workout this morning, but I didn't do much because, as I said, Lisa doesn't like to be recorded. So, it was such a fun session though, and I get to train them both together, I guess, on Wednesday again, so that'll be great. Now I'm back here to do my workout. I did do 20 minutes of cardio ahead of time, and now I am gonna do, I think, some arms. Because I'm not quite ready to do legs yet. My shoulders, like I said, were hurting, so I did back on Saturday, I think it was. Saturday? No, I did not work out on Saturday. I don't know when I did back. Maybe Thursday? Because then I deadlifted Friday. Anyways, blah, blah, blah. Let's go do arms. Let's go to the gym. What the hell? Okay, I want to get my car washed. Can I wash my car even if it has snow all over it? Is that against the car washing rules? Alright, you guys. I did a subpar buy and try workout right now. But that's okay. I'm fine with it. I got stuff to do. I got errands to run. I gotta help Jay's dad with some stuff. Help him return his rental car and whatnot. So we're gonna go to lunch and all that good stuff so Gia can see her daddy. We're gonna go do some shopping. So yeah, happy Monday, folks. I hope you're enjoying this now 50-degree weather. Bipolar Wisconsin, I tell ya. All right, you guys, if this is the end of my vlog, sayonara. If not, I'll see you in the next clip. All right, you guys. We are headed right into this car wash here. We ran some errands. We went to lunch with Gia's dad. Gia's extremely sassy today. We also stopped at Vitamin Shop where she drove me crazy. Right, G? Ooh, do I hear the Trolls song? Yeah, so I just thought I'd update you while we're sitting here waiting to get into the car wash. Oh, I'm gonna put, I don't know if I even showed you guys this yet on my vlogs, but my new bumper stickers. I decided I'm not gonna put them on my back window, but on the sides. I'm gonna put one on each side.